Hello everyone, today we are solving divisible sum pairs on Hackerrank. In this problem we are given an array. In this array we have n number of integers and we have a k value, and we will find and print the number of I and j pairs in this array. We will have sub arrays with two elements of this array, and we will divide it by k. And if there is a zero remainder, if there is no remainder, we will return the number of these sub-arrays. For example, in this case, let's check it here. We have an array including 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and our divisor is 5. So we will get the sub-arrays with two elements, and we will calculate their values. 1 plus 2, 3, and when we divide it by 5, we get 3 as reminder. So we will disregard this, and we will keep checking until we reach zero reminder. For example, in this case, when we sum 1 plus 4, we get 5, and when we divide 5 by 5, we get 0 reminder. So we will count this, and we will check all the values like this. Here, when we finish checking 1 plus with the other elements, we will skip the next element, and we will check 2 with the summation of the other elements. In this case, here we have 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is equal 5, and when we divide 5 by 5, we get remainder 0. So our counter will be 2, and we will keep going like this until we reach another summation which is divisible by 5. Here also we have a summation which is divisible by 5. It is 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. When we divide 10 by 5, we get 0 remainder. And we will try to solve this problem with two nested loops. First, we will create an array to store our divisible sum pairs, and at the end of our problem we will return the size of this array. And to iterate our given array, here we are given an array including integers number of n. To iterate this array, I will use each with index loop. And in this loop, we are given two elements. One is a value, and the second one is the index of this value in our array. And as we said before, we will need a nested loop. So we will create another loop. So for this, I will use while loop. To iterate this array with while loop, I will use another integer j, as it's mentioned in the problem, and j is always higher than I. So in each iteration, our j's initial value will be equal I plus 1. After initialization of this j, we can go for while loop. As long as j is less than the size of our array, we will iterate our array for the second time, and we can create another value here. This will be our array element with index j, and if our value 1 plus value 2 summation can be divided by 2 without any remainder, we will add this summation pair to our array with this shovel operator, like this. And this will be an array. So when we finish this if statement, we will increment j by 1. Let's check our code. It seems okay. Let's run it. Yes, it worked. Let's submit our code. Okay, we passed all the test cases. That's all for this divisible sum pairs. See you on next challenge.